Usually there's turtles too. See? Whoa! Oh, I saw a ring. Here comes a little duck. Look at that little one. See by the bush? There's a little duck.
One. Oh!
There's little baby.
Oh, look at that. Where?
See if the turtle. Maybe it's because
It's a coin toss.
we could just play these coins. Just give her room to. Seeing if any fish. He's gonna come. See if he comes up. So those are called poops. Did you hear them? Poop, 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 poop.
What? The ones with the white beaks?
The ones that have the black head. These are mallards. We're waiting for the fish to come. Where's the fish?
Oh, there's fish?
Yeah, but I think it's winter.
Hey, there's a mallard.
That one is a poof. Look at his feet. Just like walking in the mud.
Creepy one. That's creepy.
Hi there. You guys got sharp beaks, huh? I'm waiting for the fish. Where's the fish?
Can we throw big pieces?
You can, but it'll go by really fast. You won't have much left. It's your decision. Usually